Passing your theory test is all about smart preparation. With the right plan, it can actually be simple and even enjoyable. Hey there, it's Ed here and welcome to Race Driving Theory channel. Today, I will share the best way to prepare so that you feel ready and confident for your UK theory test. Passing first time is not about luck, it's about preparation. The Race Driving Theory app helps you stay consistent so you are ready for your test day. Download it using the link in the description. Why many learners fail? Let's start with the truth. Many learners fail their theory test not because they are bad drivers. The top 3 reasons: overconfidence, thinking the test is easy, and then reality hits when you have failed. That does not help you with your confidence for next attempt. Last minute cramming. Try to learn everything in one night. You are overloaded, exhausted, and this will do no good for you. And ignoring hazard perception clips, which are half of the test. The good news is these mistakes are easy to avoid if you prepare the right way. Let's talk about tools. The Race Driving app is the best way to practice because it includes everything in one place: multiple choice tests, hazard perception, and smart progress tracking. On top of that, set yourself little life hacks. Study the same time every day. Keep a small notebook of rules or signs you get wrong. Use 20-minute sessions, not hours of cramming. Here is the system I recommend. Step 1, start with mock test. Even if you fail, this will show you exactly where you stand. So we go on the app, DVSA exam. We have 50 questions and we have an hour to do it. I'm not gonna sit here for an hour, but let's quickly go through them. Questions. When you're doing your first mock test, it's important you go through the questions. Don't worry if you fail. It's going to give you the idea of where you are, what level you are at, and that's going to help you to see your progress. So when you're practicing and doing the next mock test, it's going to give you that confidence. Now I scored more than I done previously, so my learning takes place and I am getting better with it. Okay, I failed my theory test, mock test. I done only 14 out of 50. You can see the time, 1 minute 17 seconds. No excuses. By doing a mock test, I know where I am right now, and by putting the practice in, I will see my next results and I will see that my level and knowledge is growing. I'm scoring more, I'm getting better results. Step 2, study by topic. The highway code is divided into categories like road signs, rules, and behavior. Break it down and focus one at a time. So if I go on my learning and I have topics, and I will start with my topic. I will go through all, wrong answer. Now, if you look at it, it gives me full explanation, gives me the correct answer. And this is the part where it's important. It's important to understand your mistake and understand the question, not to just rely on, oh, I'm just gonna memorize these questions and go for the next one. Because questions on the test can change. And if you don't know what does it means, or you don't know the rules on the background of it, you're more likely gonna fail the theory test. And that's one of the most common mistakes. If you are learning to drive in the UK, hit that subscribe button. We've got new lessons and tips every week. And remember, the Race Driving Theory app is your personal assistant with mock tests, hazard clips, and daily practice tools to keep you on track. Download link is in the description. Step 3, focus on your weak areas. It's tempting to repeat the easy stuff, but progress comes from practicing what you are struggling with. Your weak areas you're going to be able to see on the app as well if you go on your mistakes. And there's all questions which you got wrong previously. See, I got it correct. What does this sign mean? Bend to the right, road on the right closed, no traffic from the right, no right turn. Brilliant. And as I'm going through my mistakes, I'm going to see the progress. I got these questions right. I understood them correctly. So the practice takes place and the learning takes place at this occasion. So looking at your mistakes and working on your weak areas is going to be one of the most important parts for your theory practice. Step 4, use time-based quizzes, short timed sessions. Train your brain to focus and get used to the real test conditions. So if I go on a quiz, 10 questions, 30 seconds, I can go single player game, multiplayer game, which a game gives you a little challenge and you might want to practice this together with your friends. That's going to help you to be quite sharp on the questions and prepare you to your test. Single player. Let's go. What color are the reflective studs between the lanes on a motorway? I remember when I was doing my own theory, I struggled with this question, but what I did is I memorized. I'd gone on Google, just typed in motorway reflective studs, and I memorized that little picture as a screenshot, and then that helped me to answer this question. Now, will I get it right now? Let's see. Let's go through it. Yes, I got the question 5 correct. I did. So yeah, that was a little life hack. What helped me, that I just memorized the picture in front of me for that specific question. And I know a lot of people struggle with this question. So if you get the motorway stud question, Google the picture, have a little screenshot in front of you, and memorize the picture, the order of motorway stud, reflective studs. And finally, step 5, learn the logic, not just the answers. The questions may change on the day, but the rules stay the same. Now, when you go on, let's say, topics, and you choose a topic, and you have a question there, and we go, what should you do before making a U-turn? Select higher gear than normal. And now, this is where I will actually understand the question, because we now have explanation for this question, and you fully understand what you should be doing. Next time you get the question, let's say the answers are in a little bit different order, or it's rephrased differently, you know how to answer that question. So make sure you put your practice in. You don't need to overdo it. Take your time with it, understand each question, and you will pass your test easily. Now, here are mistakes to avoid. Memorizing answers without understanding, ignoring hazard perception clips, skipping daily practice, and thinking you will catch up later. If you avoid these traps, you already be ahead of most of the learners. Now, let's talk about something really important, your mindset. Studying for theory test can feel very boring, overwhelming, or even pointless at times. But here is the truth. Every single question you practice is building your habits that you will rely on real driving. Do not think of it as just memorizing answers. Think of it as learning how to stay safe on the road. And here is some motivation for you. Nobody gets everything right the first time. You will make mistakes. You will get questions wrong, and that is normal. The key is not to give up when you get low score. The key is to look at what went wrong and then use it to get better. Every time you practice, you are moving one step closer to passing and one step closer to the freedom of having your license. Remember, this test is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, aim for steady progress. Even 10 minutes a day will add up and give you the confidence you need. So when you feel stuck, remind yourself, why are you doing this? Picture the day you pass, walking out of the test center with the pass certificate in your hands, knowing you have done it. That moment will be worth every bit of effort you are putting in now. So, the best way to prepare is not just to study hard, but to study smart. Consistency and strategy will make all the difference. If you want to pass your theory first time, the Ray Driving Theory app is your best friend. It covers everything from multiple choice questions to hazard perception clips. Download it using the link in the description. Thanks for watching the Ray Driving Theory channel. Stay focused, keep practicing, and you will pass with confidence.